How to get shout out happy birthday story on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will be guiding you through on how you can get shout out happy birthday story on Instagram. So if you are also wondering how you can get those, these are the processes we follow and you should be able to get it. First of all, head over to your Instagram and make sure you're logged in. And if you're already logged in, what you're going to do is simply head over to the left side of the screen by just normally posting your story like how you normally do. So you're going to swipe to the left side of your screen and reach over to post a story. So when you reach over to the section, you can find the story section. Since we are posting a story, go to story and tap on this create option, tap on AA, this one right here. Once you reach over here, on the bottom, you're going to look up for the happy birthday section. So first option is text. You can type something you want, but since we're giving a shout out, you're gonna go to the second option. And here, to give a shout out, you need to type in the username of that person. For example, this one right here. So what you're gonna do is simply type in the username of that particular person, and after that is done, you're gonna put it and post it on your story. And then when you post it on your story, the shout out will be given to that person when you go ahead and look out for your story. So that is how you basically give up a shout out on Instagram. Happy birthday shout out story on Instagram. So that is it. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.